Now we shall learn about the curved reflecting surfaces. So for the best example we have got is a spoon from the kitchen. You can see that it is curved and it can reflect properly. This is the outward curved surface and this is inward curved surface. Such inward curved surface is known as concave, as it is similar to the cave. So we can link with that. Now we shall check for the outside, which is outward curved, and this surface is convex and this surface is concave. Now we shall check for the properties of the image reflections. The concave reflecting surface is producing a inverted image. And now when we check at the back side of this spoon, which is curved outward, you can see that you can see a large area through this spoon. So this and the image is erect or upright itself. When I take another spoon, you can see that the curvature or curved surface is differing and the properties also differ a little bit. So as the shape of this curved surface changes, the property of the image can be slightly differ. So now we will relate these shapes to the mirrors. This mirror is having inward curved surface. The surface inside curved is reflecting. The image will be upright when it is close to this object, and when it goes far, it will become inverted and the image cannot be seen properly because it magnifies that. When we look closely to the mirrors, we can see that one of it zooms the images. This one zooms the images until a certain point and the image becomes blur, inverted in nature. So when it comes closer, it gives zoomed or magnified images. So the other mirror, when it moves away, it shows a large area, and when it comes closer also, it can show a larger area as compared to the other mirror. So the mirror in my right hand will be having the property of giving inverted images at a distance and magnified images, and this is the property of a concave mirror, and the inward bulged surface is reflecting surface. So the mirror in my left hand is having the property of showing zoom out images, so you can see a larger area through this mirror, and the images will be always upright. This type of mirrors, convex mirrors, where the center part is bulging outwards. So now when we take the case of the mirrors, you can see this mirror is actually the convex mirror because it is showing zoom out images. So when I point outwards, it does not produce any image on the white screen. So that means this mirror is actually producing virtual images. We can check that for the same thing for a plain mirror. So this is a plain mirror. When you try to produce anything on this, you see that it does not produces any images on the white screen. Images can be formed using a concave mirror on a white screen. So the only mirror that produces real images are concave mirrors. The images formed by a concave mirror is inverted. You can check for that using this laser pointer at the top. Now I'm gonna introduce the concave mirror and check for the laser pointer. You can see that the laser pointer is on the upside of this window, but the image it is on the downside. When I move to the downside, you can see that the laser pointer on the reflection is going upside.